Hello, friend. This is Ryan Hicks of TalkToProfit.com. Today I want to talk to you about how it's an honor to be able to do things. Now, this can be a tricky area to talk about because, in one respect, you shouldn't compare yourself with others because it's not a good way of approaching life. But sometimes you can look at the experience of others to realize just how blessed you are. I heard someone complaining about having to work, complaining about chores that they had to do at their house, and oh, I wish I had somebody to do this for me. And I realized how far society has gone to where people don't value and they're not grateful and appreciative of the fact they can do things, of what a great honor it is to be able to do things. When there's people who are bedridden, there's people who can't do those things. And meanwhile, you're here cursing life because you have to do some things, not realizing the great gift that you have the ability to do those things. The very gift that you have of life and the ability to do anything in the first place is such a great thing, and so few people see it. Now, obviously, it can get overlooked in the daily perceived drudgery of life, but this is something very important. People talk about gratitude, but are they grateful for even the chores they're doing? This could be as something like scrubbing your toilet or washing your clothes. Maybe these things you don't like to do, but do you see the honor, the great privilege you have in life of being able to do these things? And your life is so far better than people 200 years ago who their whole life consisted of trying to stay alive. Just the basic necessities. And today, the basic necessities, you open a refrigerator, they're there. You turn on a tap, the water's there. It's just so simple. And you can literally just, with a few taps, have someone deliver more of that stuff to you. You don't have to leave your house. We have such great blessings in this life. The time we live in is so bountiful, so abundant. We have such great opportunities and great privileges in life. And one of them is being able to do anything, whatever it may be. Even something you don't feel like doing, the fact you can do it is an honor. It's a privilege. It is a blessing. So my friend, I want you to think about that today. Are there things you're doing that you grumble about, you murmur about, you complain about? Can you take that and turn it around, realize how blessed you are to be able to do those things in the first place, see them as a blessing, and be appreciative and grateful for your ability to do those things? My friend, I pray this is a blessing for you. May God bless you richly.